บางการเดินทางเริ่มจากการเรียนรู้ Hi, I'm Varisara from Thailand. This winter, my journey began at CGC University Mohali through its winter school program, a place that slowly became part of my journey. From the very beginning, everything felt new in the best way. New classroom, new conversation, a new little moment that made learning feel exciting and easy. Some days I learned about data, some days I learned about culture, and some days about myself. Most of this journey unfolded right here at CGC University, a campus that feels calm and welcoming, faculty who guide kindly and explain patiently, a space where learning feels comfortable and safe. I am studying data analytics, and here it feels less about pleasure and more about understanding. Questions are welcome, curiosity is encouraged, and learning feels natural. Life beyond class added its own gentle magic. Punjab warm Bangla energy, wearing Indian attire, celebrating my birthday here, and sharing everyday moment with people from different countries. Everything blended beautifully. ที่นี่ทำให้ทุกวันรู้สึกสบายใจ A short trip to Shimla became another sweet memories. One I will always smile about. Looking back, this experience grew on me quietly. It gave me confidence, meaningful connection, and a wider view of the world. Thank you, CGC University Mohali, for being a place where learning feels light and growth feels real.